Doorbell cameras are a relatively new feature developed for home security systems. They provide protection at the front door, where a monitor has a built-in surveillance camera that allows you to view it from any tablet, phone or computer. Most of the time it's used for checking who of your friends arrived, or if the mailman dropped off any packages. But sometimes these doorbell cameras capture incredible, funny and weird moments. Here are the craziest and funniest doorbell camera clips I could find on the internet. But first, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. This son seems to have had a little too much to drink and forgets that his dad's birthday party is meant to be a surprise.
Dude, how are you the last one to show up to your own party? That is messed up. Your birthday party? What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
What?
It's a surprise party!
Surprise party?
Are you drunk?
Of course I am. It's a party.
You guys can come out. Derek messed this up. Seriously.
Where are wondering where all the cars were?
How stupid can you be?
Why didn't you just say it's a surprise party?
There's people here to see you. Happy birthday. Thanks a lot, Derek.
Oh, happy birthday. I'm sorry.
Family runs into the house in panic when a very loud thunder strikes. But the dad hilariously trips while running. Porch Pirate is caught red-handed. Just as he runs up to the house at night and steals a package, the police turn around the corner and instant karma is served. This girl's Jamaican neighbor doesn't like trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Go lang yan. Before you get COVID, take your ass home.
Neighbor gets instant karma for trying to destroy the Ring doorbell camera. This Amazon worker just doesn't care anymore. He's done with running up to houses and laying the packages nicely by the door. Instead, he decides to practice his aim with this package. Neighbor asked this homeowner to check her footage, as she thought someone had tried to break in at 3 AM. Instead, she found this goofy guy having the time of his life. Dad tries to act like he didn't break the glass door, but what he didn't realize was that it was all caught on the doorbell camera.
Nico! Come here! Look what happened! I just seen this. I ain't touched hit nothing, just seen this. You must have hit it with this. I swear to God I didn't. I swear to God I didn't.
Karen harasses her neighbor, who she accuses of squatting. The woman lies and says she works for the state, but she's really just being a nosy and irritating neighbor.
Who are you? investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so
So
who are you looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
Are you laughing at me?
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
you okay?
Looks like you're on drugs.
Well, you're being recorded,
So
I hope that you're representing
it
yourself.
doesn't matter.
You will be recorded. So you're.
It doesn't matter.
Well,
It doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. No.
Some bitch at my
Okay.
door.
Oh, some bitch at your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay?
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business, bitch.
Handle your business, bitch, because this house looks like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
Even if there are a lot of dreadful incidents that are caught on doorbell cameras, they can also be used for something wholesome. Like this clip, where a deployed dad gets messages halfway around the world from his kids.
Hi, Daddy, I miss you so much. I always miss you soon, Daddy. David, I really want you to come back. Bye, Daddy. I'm going to school to learn a lot. Dada, I love you so much. Come on, soon. I love you. Hi, Dad. I got a new haircut. I love you so much. So much. Hi, Dad. I miss you a lot. Over there, she's doing it. It's your birthday today. I love you so much. Dad, I graduated from riding my bike now. All I need for help is to push, then I'm all going by myself. There's no training wheels, Dad. How cool is that? I hope you come back soon. Bye, Dad.
Kid is hyped when the pizza arrives, and the delivery guy joins in, unaware of the doorbell camera capturing the funny moment.
Hi. How are you?
My mom's grabbing the trash right now.
Alright.
Here you go.
This man is chased by a German Shepherd and tries to avoid it by jumping on top of a random car. But what he doesn't know is that the owner of the car is sitting inside of it.
You good? I saw that motherfucker this morning.
This woman is doing all that work for nothing.
Are you kidding?
Old woman pulls a knife on her neighbor.
Ya le dije a usted que se mudaron de aquí hace mucho tiempo.
¿Se mudaron? Yo
Se mudaron.
Yo vi a una vieja con un pie aquí.
No. Ya no vive ahí.
Mira que la va a matar.
Hasta luego. Y de ahí todo. Se fue a llamar a la policía.
This person attempts to burn a Black Lives Matter flag. woman lost her wallet at Walmart, but she couldn't have been more lucky, as this wonderful Florida man drove to her house and returned it.
Camera recording.
Hey, how you doing? I found your wallet at Walmart. Well, I'm gonna put it by the Amazon boxes. Thank you, report.
This dog mistakes the owner's hood for a furry toy, though it kinda looks like the dog tries to strangle her.
Oh my god. No one prepared you for what you do when this happens. This is not how I want to go out, Grissom.
This kid has a lot of potential to be a pro athlete, or so they thought.
Hey, Dad! Think fast! Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete. Oh! Pro athlete.
You're just supposed to catch it.
I wasn't ready!
Pro athlete.
I wasn't ready.
Pro athlete. We're just throwing it.
I wasn't ready!
Perfect timing.
This kid went for a little longer ride this morning than expected as mom let go of the stroller, unaware that it keeps rolling away.
Oh, shit!
Fortunately, the kid didn't get hurt. This guy thinks the Ring doorbell is a bomb, and when he presses it, he runs to jump off the balcony from the 3rd floor stairs.
Is that a fucking bomb? Oh,
This disturbing footage shows a young woman abandoning her 3-year-old boy at a stranger's house. When the homeowner opened the door, she pushed the baby in the door and walked away.
So you're leaving your baby with me? And she said, yeah. I said, so you're abandoning your baby.
What's her name?
I don't know her name. I have no idea who she is.
The woman was later arrested and charged for unlawful desertion of a child and child neglect. She also said she abandoned her son because he had gotten sick with scabies, a contagious itchy skin rash, and could apparently no longer take care of him. The kid was placed in the care of a child welfare. What a terrible mother. This man is ding-dong ditching in the middle of the night, and for some reason he's also fully naked. This dancing mailman is having a great day at work.
I love those things. I don't know why. They're so addicting. It's like not even real cheese, but it's so good. Cheers.
This cat is desperately trying to alert the owner to open the door. This guy delivering a package is terrified of the homeowner's dog.
Yeah, I got a package.
No! Get your dog! Ah! Ah! Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog! Ah! Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog! Ah!
If the person in this next clip was chased by that dog, he would probably pass out, because this guy is screaming for his life while running away from a little chihuahua. Swagway trick doesn't go as planned. Imagine having a creepy neighbor like this one. He just walks up to the camera, stares into it for a while, and then walks away. Someone please tell this man what to do.
Molly!
Hello.
Molly!
Hey, what I should do?
Molly! Come here. Molly!
What I should
Molly! In.
And to end this video, let me show you something that is always funny. A video of someone falling. These clips make me wonder about all the crazy things that have happened, but weren't captured on camera. Luckily, doorbell cameras have become very popular recently, and there are tons of funny clips like these. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, so that you won't miss the next video. And while you wait for the next one, check out our other awesome videos. Goodbye. Doorbell cameras, the camera that more and more people are setting up at their front door, are well known for capturing funny, weird and crazy moments. It's a small camera that is designed for use on an exterior door that includes or connects to a doorbell, and that often has a built-in microphone and speaker. This way, the owners of the house can hear, speak, watch live, and even play back what has happened by their door. Here are 40 weird things caught on doorbell cameras. But before we check out these crazy moments, make sure to subscribe to Novella with notifications. This driver was certainly not paying attention and paid the price. These terrifying pit bulls charge towards a mom and her 2 kids, and the mother saves her daughters from getting mauled by them. This driver had a fairly good reason for speeding. She really needed to get home as quickly as possible to pee. But the police officer did not accept the excuse and arrested her.
Oh, I'm about to pee on myself. Please, come on, please. Oh, now y'all want to lock both doors.
Tell the lady that was driving the white Honda she might want to come out and talk to me before I tow her car.
Sorry, I had to
No,
pee.
there ain't no sorry.
You can tell her I had to pee. So I'm sorry, but I had to pee. What did I do wrong?
Let's see, you were doing well over 50 down Live Oak. You were speeding through the
Why are you
neighborhood.
yelling at me? I had to pee. That's why I said wait 5 seconds.
Public safety and jump because you have to pee.
Okay, but you see, I just said wait 5 seconds, right? Okay, you didn't have to be an asshole about it. You gonna write me a ticket after you can't call myself. Okay. You having a bad day though? Yeah, you can have. I got all that shit. I have no problem.
Huh?
But I have to pee.
I guess she had to use the bathroom. She was running and she stopped, so I guess he's trying to say she was trying to run from him.
It's a wonder this person passed the practical driving test, because her parking skills are very questionable. The suspect, accused of mowing down a crowd at a Christmas parade in suburban Milwaukee, was captured on a Ring doorbell camera immediately before his arrest.
I called an Uber and I'm supposed to be waiting for it over here, but I don't know when it's coming. Can you call it for me, please? I'm homeless. My ID.
block Elizabeth, 146. Hey, do you know this guy? Absolutely not. No. Okay.
This bear was on a mission to find a midnight snack. It was his lucky night as the house owners left a backpack on the deck full of delicious treats. This woman totally loses her mind outside a random house.
Help, you motherfucker! Help! 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 Please, I'm having a heart attack! Please! I'm gonna fall out! Help! 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 Help!
What would you do if you saw this big boy on your porch? The gigantic visitor just sat down for a couple of minutes and seemed to be very curious about how humans live. This crazy Karen hates doorbell cameras. Maybe they should have had this at their door instead of a camera. When the neighbor asked this guy to borrow some sugar on Thanksgiving, he delivered both the intended sugar and some unintended comedy.
Now that was that one. Did you see that? Hold on, I'll bring you sugar here in a second.
I guess they will have to skip the sugar this year. This guy forgot to hold the door for his wife, and I guess it was out of the ordinary.
Oh my god! Yes, did you just run into a door? Oh no! It just ran into a fucking glass door! Are you okay?
These girls tried to hide from the doorbell camera and totally failed.
I'll be out there. That's what I do outside. I think it's 8 of us do that.
Write in the comments what you think they were hiding from. Watch why this turkey chickened out.
Hey, turkey, get the hell out of here. Oh, it's moving, it's running away.
When this Amazon delivery guy was swatting insects, he accidentally threw one of the packages on the roof. Well, he did deliver the package, but it wasn't that easy for the owners to get a hold of it. Imagine you've just mowed your lawn and this street racer comes through. This family recently purchased a Ring doorbell camera, but somehow a random guy got connected to it.
Yo.
Who is this? Why is someone in...
Hello?
Yeah, hello, who is this?
You live in Anderson, right?
Sorry?
Yeah, what's going on?
Why are you answering my doorbell?
somehow it's getting disconnected to my doorbell.
Where? In what town?
In Edison.
Oh, no, I live in South Plainfield. Did you happen to buy your ring at the Southfield Home Depot?
No, I bought mine over there in Edison Home Depot.
Did you return it at all? Did you return it once and then get another one?
Probably.
Yeah, I think that's what happened. All right, no big deal. Sorry for the confusion.
Turns out it was a returned camera and the previous owner got the call. When someone is outside your door, the doorbell camera will send you a notification. So when this thief was breaking into a house, the burglary didn't go as expected.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, it's called you.
Hello?
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 Joe!
Hello? What are you doing in my house?
The owner quickly called the police and the thief got arrested. A mouse was found in a trash can and the guy threw it out and tried to chase him down, but the mouse was too quick.
Where'd it go? No!
These guys were getting chased for stealing a car. They then crashed it and ran away. This bull elk rings the doorbell with his antlers. The girls inside were not so eager to let him in. Apparently it was that time of the year, and he wanted to be part of ladies' night. This thief steals a Halloween decoration. Maybe he has wanted a friend for Halloween. This solicitor seems to not really know what soliciting means.
Can I help?
Hey, how's it going? Sorry to interrupt. I didn't ring the doorbell or anything. Yeah.
No, you can take that off. It says no soliciting.
Oh, I'm not soliciting. I'm just I'm offering you $1,000, and that's only if you guys decide to install a PV system on your roof to save electricity, save money on electricity.
No, thank you.
The homeowner was at work when these guys tried to break into her home, but she saw it unfold live on her phone and scared them off.
Oh, there's a camera up there. What's that doing?
Hello? Cops are on their way.
She was able to share the video with her neighbors online and ultimately confirm their identity. This dad was in for a surprise when a turkey approached him. Grandpa decided to bust a move, and the doorbell camera captured the funny moment.
Okay. Go over there, look in there.
Where?
Go, David. Go, David. Go, David. All right. All right. Go. Go, Daddy. No, go.
Okay, wait, go again.
All right.
This pup is having the time of his life, with peach paper meant for the barbecue.
Go, 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 go! That's $30 for paper.
He might have ruined the barbecue, but for him it was totally worth it. Everyone knows that firefighters are real-life heroes. And this video proves it when a firefighter rescues a family's pets from a massive fire inside the house. The homeowner received a notification from her Ring cam and saw a thief trying to steal her car, but thankfully she could scare him off with a siren. Here's another kind of thief trying to steal a car, but he's probably smarter than the last one. This girl couldn't go door to door to sell cookies due to the pandemic, so instead she practiced her best sales pitch on the doorbell camera.
Hello. Hello, I'm Allie. Would you like to buy some Girl Scout cookies? What kind would you like? My favorite kind is the purple kind. What is yours? Well, you can buy them $5 in each, so would you like one? Or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? Or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10? I don't know, maybe 11, 12. Well, it's a lot.
Check out this creepy guy sniffing on kids' dirty socks outside a random house. This mailman gets attacked by a crazy pit bull while delivering packages. Probably the weirdest clip of all is this man taking a serious poop in a doorway. Oh well, I guess when you've got to go, you've got to go. This little guy is probably the coolest trick-or-treater ever. Uber Eats driver is big mad over a $2 tip.
I drove 28 miles to get here and I had to put gas in the car and you only gonna give me a $2 tip? That $2 tip is good, man. That's 5%. What are you talking about? Bro, now you bugging, bro. $2? What is that, bro? What is that? I don't even tip people. I tip good, man. You gotta be grateful. What? I tip good, man. You gotta be grateful. Nah, bro, I'm not jacking. Bro, you gonna have to come outside, bro. You gonna have to come outside, bro. Come on, bro. Like $2, bro. Now you gonna have to up this, bro. What's $2, bro? What's $2, bro? What the hell is $2? What is that, bro? What is that? What's $2? You bugging, bro. Yo, what's up with you, bro? $2? Yeah, that's a good tip. You ain't... Bro, I had to go get food for you. You ain't go yourself, bro. Yo, respect the delivery person.
I respect you, bro, but the food is expensive. I can't give you no more. Bro, so $2? Bro,
you ain't getting your food, bro. $2? $2, bro.
Yo, what are you doing, man?
Hold that, nigga.
It's ridiculous, bro. You just smashed my food. Damn.
Crazy girlfriend thinks her boyfriend is in this apartment cheating on her, but awkwardly enough, she has the wrong house.
Jonathan, I know you in here with a... I know you in here with a...
Ma'am, you have the wrong house.
When the homeowner was at work, he got an alert on his phone. He opened the app to the shocking sight of massive billows of black smoke rising from his neighbor's house. But he also saw that the fire had somehow spread to his garden as well.
Hello, yes, I'm not there. Please put that out for me, please. I'm on my way home.
Your house on fire!
Yeah, I know, I'm on my way.
Hard on the door. That's somebody talking.
I'll be on there I'll be there in a second.
This package thief gets a taste of instant karma. This family's Thanksgiving duck was smoking hot, literally. And to end this video, we deliver you the peak of comedy, a salesman leaving a great message for the homeowners. Maybe it was actually the homeowner farting in the speaker to tell the person he isn't interested. What is the weirdest thing that has happened at your front door? And which of these clips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this one. While you wait for the next one, check out our other awesome videos. Goodbye.